Hi, welcome. Today is March 20th, which marks the launch of PEST 2.0. We'll be trying to update a project to PEST. I'm saying trying because at the moment, the preview website, I can't go to the installation page. I'm pretty sure that they're updating the website for the launch. We'll try and do it and see if it works. I would like to go over some of the new things that were added to PEST, but I don't think I'll have time for that today, so we'll just mark the day by updating the version of PEST on a project that I have. If we do have time, we'll go over some of the new things that were launched. This is the project that we'll be going through today. I won't go into many details because this is my father's website. I'm sorry, it is in Portuguese, but we won't dive too much on the content or the website itself. I just wanted to mark the day by updating PEST to the new version. And to go into that, let's try. I'm not sure that this is going to work because again, I don't have the guide for the website because it is not working at the moment, but I'm gonna wing it as always. And let's try and bump all of these to, I have some suggestions. Let me see what the suggestions from my IDE are. I don't have the two. I don't know if this is going to work. Let's see what happens when we composer update this. I'm kind of sad because when I got access to the new version of the website, I had sorry, my cat was acting up. I had all the steps to upgrade for PEST 2.0, but since it's the launch day, I think that the team is working on the website. Let's see what we have here. PEST plugin Laravel requires Laravel framework 10. Okay, let's try and update Laravel as well. We've already seen some of that. I'm just going to be doing this right now to show the new version of PEST. So 4.1, and I've removed the comma, and let's try and do this again. Otherwise, I'm going to, if this fails, I'm going to pass in. Oh yeah, it failed. Let's go with -w. Let me just quickly read what's going on. PEST plugin Livewire. Okay, Laravel UI. Okay, I'm just quickly scanning what's going on and what dependencies are going to be upgraded to have it on my memory, because this is a project that it's actually live and I need to see if I don't break it. So we are requiring PEST 2, but we only have 2 xdev. This is perfect for what we are looking for, and we're going to go with that. Let's try it again. I was hoping that today it would go smoother. But hey. Okay, we are requiring, and we need PHP. Okay, 10 dot, oh, it's the insert. Okay, let's bump PHP unit version as well. And now collision needs to be bumped as well. Where is that? It needs to, sorry. Oh, I am passing the -w. So this should all be updated automatically. but yeah, let's go. Problem 2, collision, and let's go on. Hopefully this will maybe help you when you have some problems updating your projects. Eliminate supports. I would like to see what the package of that is. I think I need to bump up Laravel UI. Let me have a quick look at the Laravel website to see if they have any mentions of this on the upgrade guide. What is going on? Documentation, installation. Where is the upgrade guide? Okay, so quickly. PHP, okay, Composer 2.2, great, Laravel framework, Laravel Sanctum, Ignition and Passport. And I'm not using either of these, I think. Collision was bumped to 7.0 and PHP unit to 10. Okay, so I'm not gonna go and read the rest of that because that's not the problem that we have. So this is saying that I have a problem with my PHP version, but Laravel 10 requires PHP 8.1 at least. So this is a problem that a package that I have is not actually compatible with Laravel 10. Let's go on. Also, I'm wondering why this -w is not working again. Oh, I think we can try something else. Let me see. Laravel framework. Do we have that syntax like that? Yep, it's the same. Oh, we can try. Let me go. Oh, yeah, it didn't. So let me try Composer. What is that? Oops, wrong. Oh no. I think it's clear compiled. Dump autoload to clear Composer cache, and then we'll try and install this again. And my computer is blowing up. Last time I ran this command on this computer, it did freeze. Some files were locked, I think. Let me see what it was trying to do. Yeah, something is going on again. What is happening? My computer. Whoa. My CPU is maxed out. Okay. Access denied. I wonder if I can delete this file. But let's try and let's try this. Nothing to install, update, or remove. So apparently, let's. Oh, I think I. PHP artisan -v. Oh, it's not that. I'm trying to look for Laravel version. I thought it was -v, but it is. Oh, we have a cool command to tell us it's the about. We are running on 9.5. That's not what we want. Composer update. Will it run now? Laravel UI. Let's see what other versions are available. I had a 3. What was it? I'm trying to see if there are any other packages that I can upgrade. And try to solve our issue here. Let's go and try and run this now. I'm sorry for being a bit silent. I was trying to see what was going on, and we have less problems now. So we are requiring this version of Laravel UI, but we need eliminate validation, and Laravel framework replaces eliminate validation and thus does not. Okay, so we have a problem with Laravel UI. Was it discontinued? I don't think so. Laravel UI. Laravel does not dictate. Laravel UI. The version 4 should be compatible. Oh, okay. So let's go with 4. Oh, it does exist in my autocomplete. To be compatible with Laravel 10, we need to use Laravel UI 4 as it states on the GitHub page. And now we have it. We are finally upgrading our install. You see, sometimes it's just one little small thing that can prevent you from upgrading your packages. I'm not saying that what you just saw was perfect. Ideally, before you upgrade, you go through the documentation for every package, every major package, let's say, because there could be some changes that will blow up your applications. But doing it this way a bit faster, if I didn't go through any, if I didn't see any problems on my website, it's a small, really small website. I can go through and see what the problems are. I usually don't have much problems doing it this way, but again, it's small projects. So I'm comfortable for these types of projects to do it this way. So we are generating our autoload files, and let's go back to PEST to see what some of the new features are. Yeah, this is probably this file is probably being locked like it was not long ago. Let me try and see what the file was. It was cache bootstrap cache something. Here, let's go to that directory. CM bootstrap cache packages. Let me just open this and see. I think we can stop what is happening, delete this, and composer dump autoload, and see if this file is regenerated. And it was. Okay, perfect. Now let's go and PHP artisan about, and we are on 10. Awesome. What can we do with PEST quickly before I'll need to run? I know that contact form test, this is not on PEST yet, so this is something that I'll need to change. File controller tests, what is this? Save the file, rename the file. This is something that I've been working on, so some things are not quite finished. Okay, I see something that we can test. PHP artisan test, filter, create test. Let's see if this runs first. And okay, but what should I do? I need to migrate my configuration, but what command? Maybe it's PHP artisan test migrate configuration. Okay, let's try and run the tests. No tests found. Let's just go with create. And what was the problem? Guest cannot create products. Call to undefined method tests feature back products create test get. Do we have PEST? We do. But why is my PEST test not running? Do we have PHP unit.xml? We do. We have SQLite installed. The user cannot, so this get, oh, I think I know what's going on. This was removed from PEST. Where am I calling this? So I think it's test. And let's see, it was on the create test on line 74. Yep, exactly. Oops, wrong command. This get. This was one of the changes. Yeah, this was one of the changes on the upgrade guide for PEST. So it's really I'm really sad that I can't show you. Oh, okay. This will need to go really quickly because I already have to go. But what is announcing PEST 2.0? Let me find upgrade guide. We already did that. Improved PHP unit collision. I don't have that. And then the this variable was changed. So for this assert same, we'll only need to use assert same. So we don't even have to call test. We can just do it like so according to the documentation, but still we have an issue here, which was guest cannot create products, class URL does not exist, and I'm pretty sure that this is something to do with probably the Laravel. Oh, call the undefined action. Okay, so we have plenty of errors here. Our acting as function does not exist. It is a function that should live here, acting as, but is not being called. So I have a little more work to do to move this project to Laravel 10 and PEST 2 clearly, but unfortunately I'll have to leave it at this as this for now. I'm just going to show one of the features that I found cool. It's one of those cool little things that add up to your experience, and you can mark a test as to do. So instead of having it skipped here, I was using skip so that this is a test that I wrote that I knew that I needed to do, but I wasn't going to do it at the moment, and I skipped it. But we can mark it as a to-do, and then it will show you that you have some tests to do in the future. As a quick going over, you have some speed improvements. Some 60% is a major thing on parallel testing, and you can use this command, the compact printer, to show minimum output of your test run, which is cool when you are doing this automatically on CI probably. Some other huge thing is the architecture testing. So you can write tests that check your code, and you can set up rules for your whole project. So one of the examples here is that, for instance, when you're using repositories, you can define that no classes from the directory app models will be called anywhere on your application besides the app repositories directory. This ensures that whenever you are interacting with a model, it's always through a repository and not calling that model directory, if that makes sense for your project. You can do another cool thing like see if you are using any DDs or dumps or any other code that you don't want to go through to production on your code, and it's another way to check if your project meets quality requirements. So not only are you testing the code that it's executed with the Arch plugin, you can also test that your code logic is also following your application rules or your business, not business in the sense of business rules for coding, but your organization rules for clean coding. With that, I really have to go. I hope you have fun using PEST version 2. And I'll try and see if I can upgrade the rest of the project. And yeah, have fun. Bye.